Finding time to train when you have a busy schedule can be a challenge, but with some strategic planning and dedication, it is possible to make it work. One key tip is to prioritize your workouts and schedule them into your calendar, just like any other important appointment. This will help ensure that you make time for exercise and stick to your training plan. Another tip is to make the most of the time you have available by focusing on high-intensity workouts that deliver maximum results in a short amount of time. This could include interval training, circuit training, or high-intensity interval training, HIIT, workouts that combine cardio and strength training for a full-body workout in a shorter time frame. In addition to prioritizing high-intensity workouts, it is important to also incorporate rest and recovery into your training plan. This means listening to your body and taking rest days when needed to prevent burnout and reduce the risk of injury. It is also important to fuel your body with nutritious foods and stay hydrated to support your training and recovery. If you find it challenging to fit in longer workouts during the week, consider breaking up your training into shorter, more frequent sessions throughout the day. This could include doing a quick workout in the morning before work, taking a walk during your lunch break, and doing a short strength training session in the evening. By breaking up your workouts, you can still get in a full training session without having to dedicate a large block of time all at once. Lastly, it is important to be flexible and adaptable with your training plan. Life can be unpredictable, and there may be times when you need to adjust your schedule or modify your workouts to fit in with your busy schedule. By being flexible and willing to make adjustments as needed, you can continue to make progress towards your fitness goals even when time is limited. In conclusion, training with a busy schedule and limited time is possible with some strategic planning, dedication, and flexibility. By prioritizing your workouts, focusing on high-intensity training, incorporating rest and recovery, breaking up your workouts, and being flexible with your training plan, you can make the most of the time you have available and continue to progress towards your fitness goals.